Welcome. I'm Jamie and thrilled to help you look and feel your best. Here's the youth you get in my vegan, organic, and paraben-free on-the-go kit for less than $20. Use green tea cleansing mask in the shower. On a damp face, take about half a teaspoon and massage it into your forehead all the way down to your décolleté and leave it on while you're doing your rest of your shower business to allow all of the great vitamins and antioxidants to penetrate. Green tea cleanser will give you a very deep cleaning. It'll feed your face with vitamins and it balances your skin's pH to allow the Hempress Duo and Turkey necklace to work even better. I suggest putting a very thin coat of Radiant Pumpskin from the top of your head all the way down to your décolleté before going into the shower. That way it's really easy to wash off. The first time, leave it on for 5 minutes, eventually up to 20. Your skin will get smoother and smoother, and the exfoliation allows the Hemp Duo and Turkey necklace to penetrate even deeper. Your sample of Turkey necklace is one of the 3 Youth Duo Superstars because it's full of power peptides. This is what the full size look like. But with this sample, I recommend you make it last 3 times for 3 applications, night, morning, and night. And I recommend doing just around one eye where results happen first generally on your skin. And that way you will definitely see the difference between your 2 eyes and to prove it to yourself that it's really great and it really works. Our sample of Miracle Plump is 100% hyaluronic acid, and it does exactly what its name suggests. It instantly reduces wrinkles and tightens your skin. Here's our full size, and it's in a gem-infused smoothing wand, and I love it because it massages your cells at the same time. Miracle Plump, 100% hyaluronic acid, is very soothing after the pumpkin mask. You can let it dry and you'll see instant results, and then you can put your UV mineral polish and makeup right over it. Muscle Mender offers relief for wherever your body hurts. It provides icy hot comfort in minutes with healing essential oils, and it's got a wonderful slide for massage. Sorry, got distracted. It's not recommended for your face, but your neck and shoulders will be so thankful. And a teeny bit on your temples will relieve stress and headaches too. I love it. You're gonna love it. Heavy makeup telegraphs wrinkles and sags and clogs pores to age you faster. Here's our full size. You get it with the kit. I like to dump it directly into a little vessel right on my makeup counter. And how you use it, you just load your brush, tap most of it off so it's very sheer, and you'll be amazed how Bare Mineral Polish smooths imperfections and provides weightless, non-toxic UV protection. It's lovely. If I'm not wearing lipstick, I'm wearing Salvage Save Age at my desk or every night for amazing nourishment. I always have sweet dreams because the 7 essential oils are so relaxing. If you have a cold, go high because you can't blow it all off, and Salvage soothes and helps to heal your poor nose quickly. You can use it on your cuticles as well as around your eyes. I sometimes use it on my pulse points because the fragrance is so divine. I love it, but I love everything in the Youth Duo line.